The conflict between the United States and Iran has entered its 100th day. What began as a military confrontation in late February has now evolved into a wider regional crisis. The conflict started after US and Israeli strikes on Iran. Since then, tensions have spread across several parts of West Asia. The situation now affects key security and economic interests across the Gulf region. The latest escalation took place over the weekend. According to US Central Command, American forces intercepted two Iranian one-way attack drones over the Strait of Hormuz on Sunday. US officials said the drones posed a threat to international maritime traffic. They were shot down before they could cause any damage. The incident followed another confrontation on Friday. American forces reportedly downed four Iranian drones in the same strategic waterway. Following those interceptions, the United States launched what it described as self-defense strikes. The attacks targeted Iranian radar and surveillance facilities at Goruk and Qasem Island. Iran responded a day later on Saturday. Tehran launched ballistic missiles towards Bahrain and Kuwait. US officials said most of the missiles were intercepted before reaching their targets. The exchange marked one of the most direct military confrontations between the two countries since the conflict began. The developments have increased concerns about regional stability. Security experts warned that continued military action could threaten critical infrastructure and international shipping routes. The Strait of Hormuz remains a major focus of concerns. It is one of the world's most important maritime corridors. A large share of global oil exports passes through the waterway every day. Any disruption could affect energy markets and global trade. The crisis has also expanded beyond the Gulf. In southern Lebanon, a Lebanese military vehicle was struck during an Israeli operation. The incident reportedly resulted in casualties among Lebanese armed forces personnel. It has further heightened fears of a wider regional conflict. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts to ease tensions continue. International mediators are trying to preserve a fragile ceasefire and prevent further escalation. Discussions are focused on maritime security, sanctions-related issues, and the future of frozen Iranian assets held abroad. However, major differences remain between the parties, and recent military exchange have made negotiations more difficult. Reports from Washington suggest that US officials are considering whether frozen Iranian funds could be used to help Gulf countries recover from damage caused by recent attacks. No final decision has been announced as the conflict moves beyond the 100-day mark. Uncertainty remains high. Both Washington and Tehran continue to combine diplomatic engagement with military pressure. Observers believe the coming weeks will be crucial. The success of ongoing negotiations may determine whether the region moves towards stability or faces an even deeper crisis. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.